resistor bar.
Now what day is that? Tomorrow.
Pop out the resistor bar. These teeth on the resistor bar go down through the flights into basically the screw shaft. The flights are interrupted. This is an interrupted flight screw press, differentiated from a continuous flight screw press. These four areas create areas of compression and also allow the material to stage in here so that we don't have to control our flow or the rate of the speed based on the flow rate coming into the screw press. Again, what we're trying to do here is show how to take this screw press apart for USDA thorough cleaning. Removing these two bolts which hold the screen to this vertical plate that we call the B plate. A plate, B plate, C plate. The C plate here is connected to the bed pan. The bed pan collects the filtrate as it comes through the screen. Solids drop out right here to the cone area. The point in the video where I said, boy, I wish I'd have put some WD-40 on this. Now we can basically remove this whole thing as one piece. So now you can get a look at the screw itself. See the material from our last trial on this. You can see right here the interruptions of the flight. Also, we now have full access for cleaning of all of this screw and the inside of the screen. There's the inlet hopper. The flighting